Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make a GIF for Discord. So let's start. Just go to this page that is giphy.com and then let's go to the purple button that says create. Just click there and then just click here on choose a file. You will choose a video if you have in your computer. For example, I will choose this one. Then just select the time that you would like to select. For example, I wanna this part, 3 seconds, and then just continue. Just wait a little bit. Just wait until this is ready and then just continue to upload. Just click here. If you want to add stickers or if you want to add text, you can do it if you want. So that's it. Okay, and then just click there, upload to Giphy. Just let's wait a little bit until this is ready to use. And when it's ready to use, well, what you can do it's copy the link. Okay, so for example, here is the GIF that you create, as you can see right now, and then just copy the link, copy the clipboard, and then let's go to Discord, and then just click here on the right message and just paste it, and then just can send the message, and look, now the GIF is sent on Discord. So that's the way to make a GIF on Discord without any problem. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.